just arrived. Let it fall. Oh, freaking way. Yo, it's legit.
It's like a rectangle.
Looks kind of small.
Yo.
Oh my gosh! Oh, it's loud in here. It's
pretty
What's
nice.
the point of windows? Can't even see
What do the
outside.
windows do?
There's a whole bathroom and a shower
Wait, there's a shower in
and a toilet. This is kind of nice. It's just like kind of small.
What's up with all this?
Wait a second. Wait a second.
Is this like half built? Like,
It folds.
oh my gosh.
Oh, that's cool. That's what my laptop does.
Yo, the entire house has to fold out. Kind of like a puzzle. Yeah. That's a whole wall. I've never folded a house together.
Hey, let me in.
You're gonna kick me out already? Come on, man.
Wow, it's already so much bigger.
Bro, this thing is so easy to build. You literally just unfold it.
That's it?
That's it. That's wild. It didn't come with instructions and we built it. Dude, 5-star review.
We just built a house from Amazon.
I was kind of worried that we were gonna get scammed buying this thing because it had 0 reviews.
And it's finally done. Come inside so I can give you guys a tour. This place is insane.